China's silent takeover, why the West is losing. China is quietly taking over the world and no one is paying attention. They dominate 33.2% of global AI advancements. Their work culture pushes 72-hour weeks as the standard. They control 80% of the world's critical metals. This should terrify you. While the West debates shorter work weeks, China builds a future with relentless efficiency. Their education system doesn't just teach, it engineers minds. Children learn pattern recognition and mathematical thinking before language. This hardwires them for problem solving, making them natural innovators from the start. Their culture is built on three principles: Chiku, the ability to endure hardship; Keiji, self-discipline for long-term success; and Guanxi, deep relationship networks. While the West idolizes individual success, China builds collective power. The numbers tell the story. The top 10 institutions for advanced analytics, all in China. Their AI output grew fivefold from 2019 to 2023. But the real power move? Patents. In just 10 years, China filed 38,210 AI patents. The US, only 6,276. And then there's manufacturing. China produces 31% of the world's goods, 4.66 trillion annually. That's 29% of the global total. But the real shift is happening in future technologies. China leads the world in EV production, battery cells, and rare earth metals, owning 80% of global supply. They don't just control today's industries, they own tomorrow's. And while the West plans in quarters, China plans in generations. 70% of a Chinese family's income goes toward a child's education. Grandparents live with the family, forming a 3-generation support system that ensures long-term success. Then comes the work ethic. The 996 culture, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 6 days a week. The West dreams of 4-day work weeks, while China's workforce pushes harder than ever. The result? 25 million new businesses registered in a single year. And they're no longer just copying, they're innovating faster than anyone. In Shenzhen, a product idea becomes reality in 24 hours. This speed is their ultimate weapon, because when AI levels the playing field, when quality is no longer a competitive advantage, speed and execution will define winners and losers. While the West builds products, China builds ecosystems. WeChat isn't just messaging, it's a way of life. TikTok isn't just entertainment, it's influence. Pinduoduo isn't just shopping, it's social commerce. The West has become comfortable, innovation is slowing down. While Silicon Valley debates regulations, China is busy building. AI has democratized development, now anyone can create a product. But that's not enough. Jack Ma humanized Alibaba. Zhang Yiming gave ByteDance a vision. Pony Ma made Tencent universal. They understood one thing: people don't buy products, they invest in people. This is the new world order. AI will write the code. Factories will produce at lightning speed. Everything will be scalable. So what's left? The real advantage isn't in the product anymore. It's in leadership. It's in ecosystems. It's in how fast you execute. The world isn't slowing down, and China isn't waiting. The question is, are you?